Push up to this ramp. Way on spools. Fuck. Behind the spools. Careful, you got 2 or 3 in front of you. Behind the spools near the structures. Come up here. Peek up through this, Bray. Yep, make sure they're not pushing us the hallway. All right. Let me know if they're pushing that right side, guys. All right. You guys can advance right if you want. I can cover you from up here. I'll cover you, go. Watch that hallway. Guy behind the spool, straight ahead. Next to the structure. Next to the structure right here, the spools. Come to me, quick. Is he out or what? Shoot him. All right.
Right in here, in the thing. Yeah. Over there.
The hallway? All right. Got guys down low in the hallway right. Down low in this hallway right below you.
Yo.
Yep.
Right there, right there, right there.
Yep, watch across. Watch across. Windows.
We have people over there.
Those are green, I think.
That was a green?
Yeah.
My bad.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
They're shooting from down low, the hallway below on ground level.
Are you recording?
Green holds the skull all right here, okay?
Green does? Okay. Why don't you guys push up to that, on the left, there's a little church.
Bro,
Push up to that.
let's go, come on.
There's a little building on your left, up high.
There's guys that hallway, I think. Oh shit, I'm scared. Oh shit! Sorry. Over there. Corner.
Okay. Guy peeking, far right corner of the spawn.